What's up, everybody? LS Deuce, and we got bad news. It's not necessarily a bad motor, okay? I'm gassing a little bit, but the guy that sold it to me did not tell me that it had this problem. So, if you come with me, I'm gonna take you and show you what is actually wrong with the motor. So this here is your cam bearing. You have 5 of them in this motor. Well, if you look back, there's one right there, one on that second one, and let me zoom in right here. The third one is missing, completely gone. Luckily, my buddy Cam, he came over here and he was helping me disassemble the motor. He looked in there and they say never check your cam bearings, but this is a main reason why you should check your cam bearings, because if you go in there and install the cam, you're gonna have a lot of problems. You might even mess up your whole motor. But don't worry, I have the parts on the way. Some parts are coming in today, some parts are coming in tomorrow, or the rest of the parts are coming in tomorrow. And look, this motor's gonna get done, I promise you. And when it's all said and done, my buddy Cam, my buddy Yancey, they are LS gurus. I mean, they know what they're talking about. I'm LS Deuce. I ain't a guru just yet, though. Just work, you know what I'm saying? You gotta wait on that a little bit. Give me a couple more years and I'm gonna know my stuff. But I just wanted to give y'all a little update on the motor so then y'all know what is prolonging this process. Now, with all that being said, love y'all.